Stop! You've been programmed to believe aging is a one-way street. But in 2026, we found the undo button. This is the BioGlitch protocol. Every second your cellular clock ticks forward, you lose a piece of your peak performance. Most people accept the decline. The elite 1% choose to reboot. In 2026, we don't just add supplements. We activate the trash disposal system called Autophagy. It's like a deep clean for your biological hard drive. The result? Higher energy, clearer focus, and a biological age that defies the calendar. What if you could recode your brain while you sleep? Most people treat sleep as downtime. We treat it as a system upgrade. By optimizing your deep sleep architecture, you trigger the release of specific repair peptides that fix your DNA software while your hardware is offline. Stop waking up tired. Start waking up optimized. The Brain Logic Sleep Stack is waiting for you at the link below. Upgrade your nights to own your days.